25-year-old Yogita Bhand has little to look forward to. Her husband, 27-year-old Suresh Bhand, hanged himself last month as he was not able to repay a cumulative loan of 5.5 lakh rupees. But Yogita says this inability was not the straw that broke the camel's back.
वो आकर कह रहे थे हम अपने घर को कुलूप लगाएंगे शेती पर वो 2-3 बार वारंट बनाया उन्हें नोटिस बनाया.
Suresh was just one of 41 farmers in Tehsil Paithan in district Aurangabad to have committed suicide in the last 8 months. And in almost every case, failed crops and inability to pay loans is being blamed.
हमारे भाई में सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, सिद्धेश्वर अर्बन, धनलक्ष्मी और महिंद्रा फाइनेंस, कुल मिला के 5-6 लाख.
पर सरकार ने ये कहा था कि जो आपका इंटरेस्ट होता है, जो ब्याज होता है लोन पे, वो माफ किया जाएगा इस बार के सीजन में, क्योंकि इस बार भी बारिश ज्यादा हुई नहीं है. बैंक ने बोली है कि आपका ब्याज माफ करेंगे.
जो सरकार बोलती है कि वो इंटरेस्ट माफ कर देंगे, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं. बैंक बोलती है हमारे पास कोई लिखी जवाब नहीं, तुम्हारे पास है क्या?
More than 40-50 people in this village who have loans with several banks, both nationalized as well as private financiers, have been receiving notices as well as warrants from the banks so that they repay the loans that they have. This is quite contrary to what the government had been saying, that farmers will not be pressurized to pay loans. Many of the farmers who we otherwise spoke to were quite reluctant to come and speak on camera because they were scared and reluctant that the banks will possibly not give them loans in future or would take more coercive action.
It's a valid worry. These farmers are mainly engaged in cultivating sweet lime, pomegranate and cotton and have been accumulating loans since 2008. That's because sweet lime, for instance, requires 6 years to reach its peak. And with this region being hit by a drought for the last 3 years, the prognosis is not good, despite the state government's efforts. In December last year, the Maharashtra government ordered banks to not attempt loan recovery from farmers in drought-hit areas. It also opened up its coffers, spending 3,330 crore rupees in farmer aid. This includes 60 crores on interest waivers and 170 crores for restructuring of farm loans. In addition, the state's latest drought relief plan calls for full waiver of interest on farmer loans in the region. But farmers say the state's directives to banks and lenders are not being followed and not all the relief money is flowing through.
Help as far as loan recovery or at least waiver of the loan interest amount is concerned, at least that's not happening in this district. With camera person Swapnil Bandekar, this is Archana Shukla in Tehsil Paithan.
Well,